guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, I'm going to be diving in with the new Soft Glam Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you guys want to see how I create this look and my thoughts on the palette, then please keep on watching. First things first, I'd like to prime my lids, and for that I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Now I'm just using any brush to just blend this all out.
You lay there on the kitchen floor. It seems like you can't take no more. I'm sorry, but when my hand...
Using brush A16 from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to set my eyes.
So you'll be here, won't sneak around.
Now that my eyes are primed, let's show you my new baby. Oh! Okay, let's open her up. If I can get to it. Right. Ta-da! Oh, it's so pretty. I love. Right, so... Oh, they gave me a little marble stone. Oh my god, it's really cute. And then obviously Soft Glam, and what's this? Right, let's take this out and let's have a look. Oh, so cute. So they've given me like a little vintage photo frame. Oh my god, that's gonna look so beautiful on my dressing table. I love. Okay, so let's see this marble. Oh look guys, that's really pretty. It's so heavy as well, jeez. It's like painted gold as well. Oh, I love. Definitely gonna have to take some photos with the Umber highlighter on this. That's gonna be so cute. Okay, let's dive into Soft Glam. So here she is. She looks so pretty. And that's what it looks like on the back. It's just the normal ingredients, everything else. Let's open her up. Ooh. Okay, so it's got the same velvet texture as all of their other palettes. And it's got like this really, really nice soft tanned mustardy colour. It's so cute. Oh, and the Anastasia bit is all in like rose gold. That is so cute. So that's what she looks like. Very, very pretty. Very, very soft. Very, very everyday. Oh, I'm in love. I'm so excited to try this. Obviously this palette does come with a brush. I actually love their brushes. It is a double-ended brush, so you get one really, really fluffy side and one quite dense, quite compact side. So this side would be perfect for packing, and this one will be obviously perfect for blending away any harsh lines. So I'm not actually quite sure what I want to do, but Orange Soda is calling my name, so we're going to go in with Orange Soda with the fluffy side, and we're going to see what it looks like. I mean, there was a tiny bit of fallout, but it wasn't crazy. It wasn't nothing like I wouldn't have expected from any of the other palettes, so I'm not mad about that. And I'm just using circular motions and then slowly bringing that in so I cover all over my lid. So far, so good. I don't feel like it's hard to blend or anything like that at all. There's not a lot of fallout. So, Orange Soda, we are good. So next I'm going to go in again with the fluffy side, with burnt orange. This burnt orange actually looks like a bit darker, a bit more brown, I'd say, to the modern Renaissance one. So I'm just going slightly lower and buffing that in towards my eye.
Won't sneak around. I'll lace you up and put you on.
Again, so far so good. I mean, there's a tiny bit more fallout from the burnt orange and orange soda, but nothing crazy that I'm like, oh my god, what the hell, or anything like that. So we are good.
Go and hit the streets.
Just gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Rustic. It's using the packing side. Let's have a look. Well, that one's basically no fallout whatsoever, so using that, I'm just going to pack it on just on the outer corner of my eye. So using the fluffy side, I'm just going to go in again with orange soda. I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines. And I'll repeat the process with packing and then blending until I'm happy with the intensity of the colour. Just as good.
I'm sorry, but
so far I'm loving this palette, guys. Everything blends beautifully. Using the same packing side, I'm just going to go in with Cyprus Umber, which is this brown one here. Again, a few taps, nothing, so I'm just going to darken up a corner.
so warm me up, 'cause I know the world is at my feet. So take me higher, baby, let's go and hit.
So for the lid, I think we're going to go with the shade Glistening, which is this one right here, and using the flat side of the brush. Ooh, it's creamy. Are you seeing this? Oh, it's so pretty. So we're literally just going to go down just the centre of the lid. Such a pretty colour. That pigment's beautiful. Oh, so nice. Just going to go in again with the shade Rustic. Just darken up the inner and the outer corner. I'm just going to use the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara. Now that eyes are pretty much done, I'm just going to pop some lashes on and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Right, so I'm back. So this is the final look. I really do like this palette, you know guys, it's actually really nice. So my thoughts on this palette is that I love it. I love all the colours that's inside. They all complement to each other really well. I mean, like, pigmentation's amazing, it blends out beautifully. I had no problems whatsoever using this palette, so I feel like this might be my new go-to palette instead of Modern Renaissance, so we'll see. But yeah, like I'm really loving this palette so far, and I can't wait to create some more looks with this. I'm actually really excited. Thank you so much Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina and the ABH team for sending me over this beautiful PR package as well. Yeah, I'm so in love. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I created today, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love you guys forever. And if you guys haven't yet, please make sure you guys follow me on my other social media platforms, which is CZX Beauty on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And until next time guys, mwah, see you later.